Contractors, builders, flippers, future homeowners, if you're working on new construction or renovations, this one's for you. In this video, we're breaking down builder's risk insurance, what it covers, why it matters, and how to make sure you're not caught off guard. One disaster can wipe out months of progress on your construction project. If you're not insured and your framing burns down, that's a total loss. With builder's risk insurance, the policy steps in so you don't have to eat the cost. It protects buildings and structures while they're under construction. Whether you're building a house from the ground up, remodeling a kitchen, or constructing a commercial property, it protects your investment during the build phase. So what do these policies actually cover? Let's break it down. Property damage, if something damages the project before it's finished. Theft and vandalism, coverage for things like stolen copper, lumber, or tools. Fire, wind, or hail, common concerns in Montana. Temporary structures, think scaffolding, fencing, or trailers. Soft costs, optional but important. These are things like loan interest and permits if delays happen due to a covered loss. Here are the top 3 mistakes we see people make when it comes to builder's risk. 1. Waiting until after the project starts. Builder's risk should be in place before the first nail is driven. 2. Not listing all the right people on the policy. If you're a general contractor, developer, or owner, everyone's role needs to be documented. 3. Assuming a general liability or standard homeowners policy covers it, it normally doesn't. In Montana, where projects can sit idle for days or weeks at a time, job sites are vulnerable. Builder's risk is the safety net. Now let's talk cost. The premiums of these policies vary greatly as it all depends on location, risk, and duration. For example, a $750,000 custom home build might cost anywhere between $3,000 to $7,000 to insure. A $1 million commercial project could run from $4,000 to $12,000 for the policy period. Whether you're a builder, developer, investor, or property owner, builder's risk isn't optional, it's essential. As a broker, we work with top carriers and shop for the best deal and make sure the coverage actually fits your project. Let us help you get the right coverage fast with no gaps and no overpaying. Call us on 406-401-7220 to get a free quote.